Do you ever play drum fills that are rhythmically correct but still sound a little thin? Well, in this drum lesson, we're gonna fix that. What is up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can take basically any pattern you like to play on the drums and fatten it up a bit by incorporating the bass drum. I'm gonna show you 5 examples and we're gonna start off fairly simple and then end with a little bit tougher ones. Before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members tab. So if you want some extra bonus content, consider joining the channel membership. Alright, let's start with fill number 1. If you've been drumming for at least 2 months, you should know about Pat Boone, Debbie Boone, and it sounds like this. Super simple. It's just right, 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 left, right. But if we utilize the bass drum, we can turn it into Fat Boone, Debbie Boone. Oh man, that joke sucked. Anyway, if we put the bass drum in between our hands as 16th notes, we get a really nice fat version of this fill. So the sticking now turns into right, right, left, right, kick. I'll break it down at a slow tempo at first and gradually speed it up in a groove context. Pretty cool, right? Let's move on to fill number 2. The 3-3-2 is a classic phrase for drum fills. Essentially, when you count it out, it's 2 groups of 3 and 1 group of 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then you're back at the 1. Or depending on how you play it, if you play it as 8th notes or 16th notes, you can count it as 6, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're back at the 1. The core sticking for this fill is right, right, left, right, 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 left, right, 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 left, and it sounds like this. It's a great fill and it works in a lot of different settings. Now, just like the first fill, we'll add the bass drum in between our hands. So the sticking now turns into right kick, right left, right kick, right left, right kick, right left. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and gradually speed it up. I just love that fill. This is a badass sticking that will have your bass drum foot warmed up. It's a 16th note fill, and the sticking for this is right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, kick, left, right, left. As always, I'll break it down at a slow tempo at first, and when you try this fill by yourself, make sure to orchestrate it around the drum set. If you enjoy these drum fills so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, time for fill number 4. Time for the classic Bonham triplets. This is played as sextuplets, or 16th note triplets, and the sticking for this is just right, left, kick, repeated 8 times. Notice that the fill ends with the bass drum, so if you're going to play this fast, you have to have your technique down to be able to quickly play the bass drum together with a crash on beat 1. Do not underestimate this fill. Let's try it out. All right, you guys, last fill. So for this fill, you essentially play what's called the Herta, which is 2 32nd notes followed by 2 16th notes. And it usually sounds like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But for this fill, the Ruff, we're gonna switch the last left stroke of every grouping to the bass drum instead. So the sticking now turns into right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, and then you end the fill with right, left, and then you're back at the 1. It's a really fun fill once you get the hang of it. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and gradually speed it up with the groove. Alright my friends, those are 5 examples on adding your bass drum into your fills. But don't just go with these fills, these are just examples. The goal here is for you to add the bass drum into fills you already enjoy playing. I hope you have fun with it, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to know how to turn one drum pattern into endless drum fills, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.